Hello everyone, today I will discuss about series. This is the first topic of data handling using pandas. So today we will learn how to create a series with range and for loop, how to create a series using missing value, how to create a series from scalar or constant value, and how to create a series using dictionary and numpy. And we will also learn how to access data from the pandas series. So let's see how to create a series with range and for loop. So I will import pandas as PD. Next, I will take one variable to create a series. So I will call pd.series. Within series function, I will take range. The range is 1 to 15 with the 3 skipping value. I will mention the index to take the for loop. So x for x in A, B, C, D, E. So A, B, C, D, E will be the index number. Now I will print it. So you can see this is the output A, B, C, D, E with the index number, and the values are 1, 4, 7, 10 and 13. Next, create a series using missing value. So again I will import pandas as PD. Next I will import numpy to take this none value. I will take one variable to create the series. So that is s equal to pd.series. Within this series, I will take some value that is 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I will take np.none. And again I will take one more value that is 5. Now I will print this series. Now you can see the output. The index number are 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the values are 1, 2, 3, 4, none and 5. It is showing 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0 because the by default value is always float. We can create a series from scalar or constant value. A series can be created using scalar or constant value with the provided index. So that means whenever we are taking some scalar or constant value, we should mention the index so that it can match the length of the index. So let's see how it works. So I have created one series with the scalar value 30 and I have mentioned the index number that is A, B, C, D. Now whenever I will print this series, it will show the value as 30. This is the scalar value with the index number A, B, C, D. We can also create a series by using dictionary. So for this we have to take one dictionary. I have taken Akash 18, Disha 17, Priya 18. So Akash, Disha, Priya, these are the keys and 18, 17, 18, these are the values. So I will print it and it will show the series as Akash 18, Disha 17, Priya 18. We can also create series using numpy. So whenever we want to create series using numpy, we should mention the numpy module within program. So I have taken numpy module as np and I have taken one variable for it to create this numpy array. So np.array within bracket I have taken some values that is 100, 200, 300 and I have created one series for it. So whenever I will print it, it will show the value like this. So I have discussed how to create series. Now I will show you how to access data from Pandas series. So I will import Pandas as PD. Next I will create one series. with the value 10, 20, 30, 40 with the index number A, B, C and D. Sorry, I have to take one quotation. Now, if I want to print the value for the index number D, it will show the result as 40. Next, if I want to print the value of the index number 0, it will print 10. Now, I will show you how to make slicing of the series. So, I will take S colon 3. So, it will print the value for the index number 0, 1, 2, that is ABC. You can see this. Next, I will print. Suppose I want to print backward value. So, I should take minus. I have taken minus 3. Now, I will mention 0. But you can see this is not possible because we have mentioned 0. Right? If I want to take this kind of backward value, so I should take minus 3 and we should leave the ending range, right? So it will show BCD. The last I will show you, if I will not take any kind of starting or ending value for slicing, it will show all the data. So in next class, I will discuss more about series. Thank you for watching.